Welcome to 297 Lodestar. Okay, so we are back with another listing. This one is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful condo in the community of Levity at Tustin Legacy. And this one is a little bit more near and dear to my heart. I actually helped my client purchase this home. It is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 1,480 square feet of nothing but luxury. This community is beautiful. The amenities are beautiful. We're gonna take a look around. You're gonna love it. You're gonna wanna buy it. And afterwards, we're actually gonna talk about what I think is an amazing selling point. So take a walk with me. Let's look at the property. And I promised you guys a bonus. So we are out here on the patio. This is located on the 2nd floor. This patio is gorgeous. Look at the views that you guys get. You got the hangers in the background. You're so close to all the amenities here in Tustin. You got the district on one side, you have eateries on the other side. This is just the perfect spot to come home, unwind, have a glass of wine or whatever your drink of preference is, and just relax in your home. This home not only offers one balcony, but 2. There's also one on the 3rd level in the master bedroom. So again, bring your buyers. The home won't last for long.